Great, Dan. Thanks so much for going over that for us. And like to talk a little bit about Greenville, South Carolina. I've been here 10 years, Brian about 17, 18. It's a great place to live. It's also a great place to invest. And I'll just highlight some of the salient points that investors would like to know about Greenville, South Carolina. Um, Over the last couple years, Greenville, South Carolina has been rated as one of the top emerging multifamily markets in the United States by Multi Housing News. And in 2024, US News and World Report ranked it as the fourth best place to live in the United States. Uh, Perhaps even more importantly, Greenville, South Carolina is located almost midway between Atlanta and Charlotte on the I-85 corridor. This region has now been kind of nicknamed Charlanta and generates over $1 trillion a year in economic activity. So we're well located between two major metro areas, and I think most investors understand the growth that's happening in Atlanta and Charlotte. Same thing's happening in Greenville, South Carolina. Um, Who's the industry? Where are the jobs? What kind of employment is available in Greenville, South Carolina? Well, the number one factor is automotive, and it's anchored by BMW. Every X car that BMW makes in the world is built in the Greenville Spartanburg plant. 11,000 employees, 8 million square foot facility. Michelin has their North American headquarters here, 9,000 employees, 12 manufacturing plants in South Carolina. GE has a huge presence here. And then in addition, there are two major healthcare systems, Prisma and Bone Secures. So we have auto manufacturing, we have the smaller companies that support the auto industry, good health care, and again, great location between Charlotte and Atlanta on the I-85 corridor. In addition, there's a strong leisure and hospitality sector to employment. Downtown Greenville is consistently ranked as one of the most vibrant, fun downtowns in America. Uh, Great walkability, excellent food scene. And in addition, Greenville's in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains. So there's a lot of cycling, hiking, biking, lakes. So you have a vibrant downtown and then also great state parks, outdoor activities. So it draws people here for the leisure and hospitality, which of course many of the people who work in that industry make great tenants for our properties. Um, to just cover a little bit about what we've been able to do as a team at Spark Investment Group. As lead sponsor, we have paid every distribution on time at the amount at the amount promised or more. So we paid every distribution when it was due. In terms of actual performance across our portfolio, the actual performance, say, measured by net operating income, has been 18% above projected. No capital calls, no pause distributions. We have not made any exits yet, and that's basically because it's not in the interest of our investors to exit. Most of our deals have long-term fixed rate debt on it, around an average of 4%. They're cash flowing, they're doing well, and there's really no reason to liquidate now. So no exits, but our performance has been above what we've projected. Next, we'll